discount. You'll like this one because this is not extra money, it's less. All right, get your note packet open to the discount page. If you don't have your note packet, you know you're taking notes in your learning log. Get the title discount. Get the learning target. I can solve problems involving discounts written down. And remember, watching this video is at your own pace. You can pause and rewind to your liking or needs. What is discount? It's an amount taken off an item. Hooray! It's money that we don't have to pay. Always looking for a good discount. And when it starts to be with your own money, you're going to be looking for it too. All right, how do I calculate discount? Guess what? We're still using the proportions. Here's the breakdown. The part is still going to be your variable. I'm going to use X. The whole is the price of the item. So what does the item cost on that ticket? The percent is that amount of the discount that they're offering. And then 100 is always 100. Under your percent is always 100. So the part's always going to be X. 100 is always going to be under percent. You're just filling in two other parts of the proportion. Let's go. I've got steps written on the side here for you. Write those steps if you don't have the note packet. We're going to do the steps if you do, so follow along. At a store, an item is $130. The store put that item at a 40% discount. Woohoo! What will the new cost of item be with the discount? Okay, let's see what we know. We know there is an item that we're buying for $130. This is our whole. We know at this particular store, there is a 40% discount. So that goes in the percent slot. What are we looking for? The new cost with the discount. Now here's the trick. Once we find the discount, we're going to take that away from the cost. So we're not adding this time. We take that price tag, price, and we'll subtract the discount from it. And you see that in the steps here, so I'm just going to highlight that now. It's subtraction. Okay, let's set up our first proportion. The part is what we're looking for. How much of a discount are we getting? This item cost $130. The discount the store's offering is a 40%. That's always over 100. Do your cross multiplication. Numerator times opposite denominator equals numerator times opposite denominator. 100 times x is 100x. 130 times 40. And do 13 times 4. That would be 52 and add 2 zeros. So 5,200 or 5,200. And we're going to divide by that coefficient of x, which is 100. So our part, our discount, gotta love powers of 10, is $52. That is a discount. Now that's what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so this is our discount, but this isn't our new price. To find our new price, we have to take the $130 that the item started at, annex those zeros, and we have to subtract the discount of $52. So the store is giving us $52 off this item. All right, we're going to have to do some borrowing of groups of 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 12 minus 2 is 7. $78. So the new cost of the item, because we don't know what the item is $78. Not bad. Discounts happen because it's an item that's maybe been around for a while and they're just trying to move it out of the store. Its popularity has faded. Clothing going from one season to the other, those kind of things. All right, let's look at another example. Another item, whether we don't know, but we're buying these items at the same store. is $25. That is our whole. This item is discounted at 15%, so that's our percent. And again, we're looking for the new price after the discount. Okay, so part over $25, because that's our whole. 15 is our percent over 100. Numerator times opposite denominator. 100 times x is equal to numerator times opposite denominator. 25 times 15. 100 times x is 100x. 25 times 15. 375. Do that side math or use your calculator. I used my cheat sheet that was already done. All right, now here, again, don't use a calculator. Your decimal point is here after the 5. Dividing by 100 means move your decimal 2 to the right. So our discount is $3.75. This discount is much less than the other one, but the item already costs less than the other one. This item's only $25, right? The other item we did was $130. Okay, so $25 minus $3.75. Write this out. We want to see you doing your decimal math because we want to see, can you do that decimal math? Make sure you remember how to do that decimal math. Borrow, groups of 10. Here we go. 5, 2, that's a quarter. Okay. So the new price of the item is $21.25. $21.25. But that's the price before you take it up to the register and they charge you that tax. So now let's take that price and find the total cost with a 3% sales tax. Let's calculate the tax. You know how to do that from the last lesson. Taxes are part. Our whole is now the $21.25. Our percent of tax is 3, and this is always 100. So there's this added step, right? We found out how much it's cost with the discount, but not with the tax. So let's see what happens with the tax, where that puts us. All right, numerator times opposite denominator. Oh, I went the other way first. That's okay. 21.25 times 3. I'm too excited about this. Numerator times opposite denominator, 100 times x. All right, $21.25 times 3 is $63.75. Yes. 100 times x is 100x. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Now, the same trick would apply here. You're dividing by 100. You just move that decimal point 2 to the left. So you have decimal point 6375, or you would say that is 6,375 10,000ths, right? And then to see how much money that is, remember money rounds to the hundredths place. So look at the number to the right, that's a 7. So this would actually be a 64-cent sales tax. The 3 would round to a 4. All right, so this is our tax. Now let's find the cost. $21.25 plus 64 cents. Remember, tax is adding. Discount, subtract, tax, add. Start to right, work your way left. So the total cost of that item with tax is $21.89. Started at 25, had a discount, but even with the tax, we're still under there. Bring $22 to that store, you can buy that item. All right, bring these notes and let's practice.